Welcome to 7326 East Juanita Avenue, located in the Desert Sands Golf and Country Club. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a north-south interior lot and offers a practical great room layout with stylish updates throughout. Luxury vinyl plank flooring and tile add a modern touch, while accent paint and 2-inch blinds complete the clean, finished look. The remodeled kitchen features travertine counters, stainless steel appliances, updated cabinetry with sleek hardware, and a spacious breakfast bar. The owner's suite includes backyard access, and the updated bath offers a walk-in tiled shower, new vanity, and fresh fixtures. A split third bedroom with its own full bath and mini split AC adds flexibility for guests or hobbies. Enjoy Arizona's sunshine from the patio overlooking a generous backyard with a large storage shed and space to relax or garden. With a 1-car garage, new roof in 2019, and optional furnishings, this move-in ready home makes living easy, inside and out.